Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How many days I not make video or upload on my channel? I think it's 3 days, 4 days. I'm sorry. So I need to have a part 3 for my OFW, but I'm sorry for that. I make this video first for those who are friend and for those who are people or loita or people or people under over 55 or seniorins or a senior citizen. Okay, so I have here some information or have an info about how to prevent stroke, so that because I priority this information because yeah, for this time too much people getting stroke or with high blood pressure. So I want to tell you, I want to share with you those who are plants or vegetables or fruits can prevent can you eat to prevent the for prevention for stroke or stroke patient. So I have here it's in an ordinary vegetables. The first is bawang or garlic. So I said to you, bawang or garlic and the best anti-clotting herb. So how to use it? Just get garlic every day or just eat garlic every day or put in water, mix with your food. So sometimes every day you're making food, your food always mix with garlic, or just make the garlic put in the water, hot water. You can get 1 glass of water. Put the 3 cloves of garlic. Just wait for 10 minutes to babad. To stay in the garlic on the water, hot water. And then in a glass with full hot water, just for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, drink and drink the water. Then little by little your good, you are making good, you feeling good, your pressure making down. And with because garlic is best aside from best clotting herb with 9 anti-coagulant compounds. Garlic has blood thinning effect with the strong capability to block or stop the high blood pressure. Also, one vegetable can help stop high blood. So that's why I prioritize this information, because too much old people, senior and getting high blood pressure. On number 2 is carrots. Because carrots is rich in beta-carotene. With beta-carotene or vitamin A. It at iba pang carotenoids belong to vitamin E, vitamin A. Also connected in eating vegetables with beta-carotene at vitamin C, like carrots. Our third vegetable is spinach. There is rich in folate. That can stop the vein naliit po yung vein natin. Yung vein natin, daluyan ng yung pong daluyan ng dugo na para pong kaya po na-stop, naliit po yun. Also add repolyo, asparagus, papaya, and okra. On po is end. Sorry po. Those plants with folate. That's why it's good for having stop stroke or high blood pressure. Another plant rich in some places, mostly Bicol region. I'm talking for in the Philippines. I don't know in another country if there is like this vegetables or fruits. And but in Philippines is too much in Bicol region. This called lipote or lipote, and another name is lipote or baligang in Bicol kasi because in Bicol is baligang. This include in berries. Berries family. Taste sour if young, but if ripe, also sweet. But some of is sour pulp color. It's if rich in vitamin C, also big help for person with diabetes, hypertension, and high in cholesterol. That's why I told you the baligangs. I think I don't know for today. It's the time for baligang or lipote. But this good. When I'm young, we always ate this kind of berries. Some other parts, they are used these plant fruits to cure cough. Those are processed. Hope it will help for us. Those plants I mentioned, most especially people who have problem in hearts. That's why I'm make video for this. I want to help some other person to have information. Hope too much person or senior person or make watch my video, watch my info, and hear this kind of information so that they can prevent them to get a stroke. And for those also stroke patient, you can eat and eat these vegetables, and you can improve yourself or you can improve your stroke. That's why sometimes they have damage from any parts of the body. Then I think it's good to also help. Again, I repeat, bawang is good. Sihir, pure, many helps, and carrots also, spinach, and okra. But okra and because they have folates. Again, I said they have folates, beta carotene, and vitamin C. And okra and another carrots, okra on with this lipote or baligang. You can use this as your prevention for your hypertension or those who are stroke patient. You can eat this while you are getting good, so it's help more. So I think I can give you some information about this. I hope I'm happy to share with you some information about the prevention, prevention from illness, prevention from stroke or high blood, because the high blood is killer. Killer for the people. Those who are suffering on this, you can eat what I mentioned, vegetables here. So I think those who have heart problems, you can you can eat some foods or some vegetables from what I'm shared to you today. Okay po, thank you so much for listening my video. Those who are I'm happy to share with you because some people I want to help. I want to help also. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe so I to help other people. Okay po, thank you so much, and to God be the glory.